90% of people miss this easy step for better health. Are you one of them? Struggling to eat healthy during a busy week? You're not alone. Many people start the week with great intentions, but end up grabbing takeout, snacking on unhealthy options, or skipping meals entirely. The problem isn't lack of motivation, it's lack of preparation. The good news: there's a simple solution. Meal prep. With just a little planning, you can save time, eat healthier, and take the stress out of meal time. If you've ever wondered how to get started, this guide will show you exactly what to do. The problem: why most people struggle with healthy eating. Life gets busy, and that's when bad eating habits sneak in. Without a plan, you might find yourself grabbing fast food because it's quick and easy. Eating whatever is in the fridge even if it's not healthy, feeling stressed about what to cook every day, wasting money on expensive last-minute meals. The secret to overcoming this: meal prepping, the easy way to stay on track with your nutrition goals. The secret to easy, healthy meal prep. Meal prep isn't about spending hours in the kitchen. It's about smart planning. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Plan your meals in advance. Before you even start cooking, decide what you'll eat for the week. Keep it simple. Choose 3 to 5 recipes you love. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, lean proteins, whole grains, veggies, and healthy fats. Consider easy-to-make meals that store well. Example meal ideas: breakfast, overnight oats with fruit and nuts. Lunch, grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted veggies. Dinner, stir-fry with tofu, brown rice, and broccoli. Snacks, hummus with carrots, Greek yogurt with berries. Step 2. Grocery shop like a pro. A well-organized grocery list saves time and keeps you from buying unnecessary items. Organize your list by sections: proteins, chicken, salmon, tofu, beans, carbs, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat pasta, veggies, spinach, bell peppers, broccoli. Fruits, bananas, berries, apples. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, avocado. Step 3. Batch cook for efficiency. Etiquette: 1 or 2 hours to prepping your meals. Try these time-saving tips. Roast a big batch of veggies while cooking rice and chicken. Use a slow cooker or instant pot for easy one-pot meals. Pre-chop veggies and portion snacks ahead of time. Step 4. Store meals the right way. To keep food fresh and delicious, use glass containers for easy reheating. Label meals with dates so you know when to eat them. Store 3 to 4 days worth of meals in the fridge and freeze the rest. The results: what happens when you meal prep? By prepping your meals in advance, you'll experience less stress, no more last-minute meal decisions, more energy. Nutrient-rich meals fuel your body better than fast food. Better portion control helps with weight loss and maintaining a balanced diet. More savings, less food waste, and fewer expensive restaurant trips.